Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a delicious Middle Eastern appetizer, which is hummus. So if you want to learn about hummus and gain some information about it, keep watching this video. What is hummus? It's basically a tasty Middle Eastern dish made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and some spices. It can be used as an appetizer or a dip. It's also usually served with pita bread and it has a very creamy and fluffy texture. And lastly, hummus was first made in Egypt. How to make hummus? Well, in order to make hummus, you will need chickpeas or garbanzo beans, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, some spices that you like, salt and pepper. First of all, you have to add your tahini and lemon juice to the food processor and let it run for about a minute until the tahini has a paste-like consistency. Then add your olive oil, garlic, and your spices to the mixture and let it run for another 30 seconds. This is the time to add your chickpeas. Some people would add the chickpeas at the beginning, but if you want a smooth and fluffy hummus, you have to add the chickpeas as the last ingredients in the food processor. And make sure to scrape your food processor so you have a nice and even consistency. And now is the time to adjust the consistency of your hummus, either with cold water or with olive oil. And when you have the desired consistency, just taste your hummus, season it with salt and pepper, and there you go, you have your hummus. As you noticed, I didn't give you an exact recipe to make hummus. I just taught you the method to make hummus. So you can basically use any recipe that you like and make hummus with this method. And there are tens of methods to make hummus, but in my opinion, this is the best one and it just gives you the best consistency and best fluffiness. How to use hummus? Well, if you want the best flavor, you have to reheat it to room temperature and make sure to taste it and season it before you serve your hummus. You can garnish it with anything you like, but there are some traditional garnishes, which is basically whole chickpeas, drizzle of olive oil, paprika, or some fresh herbs. And hummus is usually served with a type of flatbread, just like pita. And you also can use hummus as the spread for some sandwiches. How to keep and store hummus? Well, hummus has to be stored in the fridge, and don't keep hummus for more than a week. Just try to make little batches at a time so you don't have to keep it for that long. Lastly, I wanted to say that it's very easy to make homemade hummus and you shouldn't buy hummus anymore from the supermarket for 3 reasons. 1, you now know how to make hummus. 2, you can just adjust it based on however you like, right? You can adjust the consistency, you can adjust the flavor, you can adjust it however you like. And 3, it's definitely more nutritious when you make it at home. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something watching this video. And if you want to support me, just as always, like my videos as you watch them, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later.